Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the NTOSKRNL executable is experiencing high memory usage on your Windows computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So I'm going to have some text that I'm going to have on a Pastebin website here, so you just go ahead and copy it and then paste it into an address bar to go to this link. I'm going to have text on this page, so just go ahead and copy it and right click and copy, close out of the web browser, open up the search icon, type in Notepad, go ahead and open that up, and into Notepad just go ahead and paste in this text, select file and then save as. So we can call this whatever you want. I'm just going to call it fix file .reg. The important part is you want to add a .reg on the end, and you want to save as type. Click inside the drop down and set it to all files. Save it to the desktop so we can easily access it, and then you're going to select save. Once you've done that, close out of here. Go ahead and double click on this file that we just created on our desktop. Select yes, and then OK. And once you've done that, you will need to restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully I was able to resolve the problem. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.